Well, good morning guys, and welcome to my page again, my channel. I think everyone might be getting a little bit fed up with the Accurascale Deltics swarming YouTube at the moment, but this model really is hot on the scene, and I think a lot of customers are very happy with this model, and I just think people can't get enough of them. I've been watching videos all day, every day of people's Deltics, some more than once. They just look magnificent on people's layouts. Well, this is a special one. The reason I wanted to review this model is not only because it's a Locomotion models and Rails limited exclusive, one or the other. This actually come from Locomotion, so I think that is their special. So this is 55002. As it was before it was taken out of service. It was in this livery for about 18 months, I think. Someone will correct me. And then obviously it done the farewell tour and then went to the NRM. So what I really like about this livery is that it's the BR two-tone green, which is really nice. But I like the full yellow ends. I just think it suits the livery a lot better than the small yellow warning panels or a green front end. Everyone's got different preferences. You know, I've watched videos of the green ones. I'm not biased. There's a lot of people that don't like the BR blue, but the BR blue for me, I prefer it. But this one is really nice. So obviously they went to town on like doing this loco up, so obviously it still had this runner number. They didn't put the original D9002. The lovely British Railways late logo. Painted the axle boxes, the springs, and obviously you can just see that they've painted white rings around the wheels. As you'll see from the previous video, I've done a little running session on a yard of track with both 55002 and 55005. Both sound absolutely wicked. That, you know, they are the bee's knees. Another reason I wanted to review this model, because we'd had a slight issue with one of the chains. Now I was lucky with 005, none of the chains come off. This one had come off, so I was a little bit disappointed. But I knew everyone that I weren't the only one, so I wasn't going to complain. I thought, I'll just take it. It is what it is. So it was this one here, if the camera will focus. Okay, so I don't know if you can notice, you probably can't, but the chain dropped off, so I had to try and pick the glue out of the link, then glue it back onto the hook. The bit came out of the body. So I've pushed that back in, just put a little bit of model glue around it. I'm hoping to never take the body off unless something goes wrong with it. And then where I'd tried putting this back in, the bracket actually on the chassis or body, the paint flaked off. So I was like, well, that's really annoying, because the plastic is yellow. So I glued the chain on, and I've then painted the bracket black. To be honest, give me your opinion. Can you really notice that I've repaired it? So I'm very impressed with that. It took me about 15 minutes, 14 minutes trying to get the chain on, 1 minute painting and gluing. They are an absolute nightmare to get on. So yeah. But this model is absolutely stunning. I see some other people got this type, and they're really impressed with it. Deltic Daryl, he's commented on a couple of my videos. He's got this one. He absolutely loves it. So, you know, really popular model at the moment, and I think there's so many videos on YouTube. I don't think everyone knows what to watch. So, but I went back on the website yesterday because I applied to have an email of any that remained in stock. So I thought, oh, what do I get? Well, I really wanted St. Paddy #1. So I looked at it. It's sort of circa 1975, so it hasn't got plated windows. It's got 2 wipers per pane, and a couple other things, the Domino head code. But an interesting thing about St. Paddy, which I didn't know until I read up yesterday, it was taken out of service in 1978 and it was sitting redundant for about 2 years. Now, there's some pictures of it in 78 with non-plated windows and Domino head code. And then in 1979, at Doncaster Works, it's got plated windows and plated head code and faded bodywork. So I thought, well, surely they didn't just get it in just to do the windows and the plates. So it's really difficult. I mean, I'm not being funny, it's 43 years ago, you know, so it's difficult to get this information. But I like the history of the Loco, so I like to know its life, really. Obviously, we know about this one. This is one of the ones that survived to 1982. I've also got 55022, which I bought off eBay. It was the only one that's been put on eBay, Raw Scots Grey. That's analogue, but I'm going to buy a chip for it because I missed out on the pre-order. That was another one that survived into 82, and I'm pretty sure 005 survived into 1981. So it's very vague. They started to phase them out in sort of 1980, I think, but 55001 and 55020 Nimbus, they were the ones that were stood up from 78. So, I mean, by all means, comment below if you've got any information. I'm sure there's some guys on here that know everything about these Locos. And being a youngster, you know, I'm not even old enough to remember them in service. That's way before my time, unfortunately. But all I can do is enjoy the models, enjoy the old videos of them as well that people have managed to capture these beasts. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to waffle on anymore. The only defect on this model was the chain. It runs superb, everything works as it should, and it really does blow you away. All of them does. So I've now got 4. I've got St. Paddy on the way, which I've ordered from Accurascale. I would get on there today because when I checked last night, there ain't much left. I think there was a couple of green ones and 2 blue ones. Paddy's gone, 17's gone. You know, that I think the people that have missed out, they've gone straight on there, seen how amazing this model is, and think, do you know what, this is an amazing model. Right, I'm going to order one. So if you are one of the people that's missed out, get on there today because I don't think it's going to be much longer for they're all gone. I definitely know Locomotion hasn't got any more of these because I went and checked yesterday because I wanted one of their blue specials, but again I missed out. But I'm glad of what I've got. I'm not greedy. I've probably got more than what I need. 4 is enough for me. So anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, guys, and like I say, I'm still hoping to get that layout one day, but still collecting lovely models along the way and giving you guys reviews. Take care, and I'll see you all soon.